Good morning.
Good morning.
What have you got today? Show and tell.
Yeah.
It's a bit rainy this morning, isn't it? Let's go. Come on. Gotta be quick. Izzy, where are you? It's raining. Quick, we need to run home. Ah! What rubbish weather.
I can see black.
Did you have a good day at school? Right, across the road.
I can see.
Well, you need to see to cross the road.
Oh, no. Hi. I found these and then I found two. Put them down.
You're striking a little shell.
Yeah.
Right, leave it then. I want to go on an adventure in the rain. He likes the rain. Let's go.
I need to get my flowers then.
Say bye, Mr. Snail.
Bye, mister. I'm gonna name him Snaily.
Snaily.
Yeah.
Mr. Snaily.
Yeah, because he's snaily. Look at this.
Izzy, it's raining.
I don't want to come in.
Throw one water balloon and you can come in. Because it is raining. You'll get poorly.
Wait, I'll get poorly. I always get a poorly.
She'll catch a cold.
But can you pet socks? Oh. I really want to get up one.
All you got for dinner is hot dogs and pasta. Why? Because you didn't want the spag bowl with the rest of us. That's okay. It's all up then. Alright, it's bedtime is. You're ready in your pyjamas. So let's go straight to sleep, okay? Night night.